Hi everyone. So for this one, we're going to look into loft. Okay. So loft is when you want to create something like combination of different shape of product. As for this one, if you can see, I've already drawn a cube, a rectangular cube on the bottom, and then I already also draw the circle on the top here on the different plane. Okay, so now let us look into the loft. Once you already done with the things, you have to exit the sketch and then go to the pictures. You can go to the loft. Okay, so when you have that loft, okay, so then you will select the one that you want to perform the loft. Okay, let's say for this one, this sketch, and then another one is this one. Okay, so if you see this one, it's already connected like this. Okay, so if you can see the green dot here, so if you move this part, it will be twisted. Okay, so you can control on this one. So let's say we'll see the example if it is twisted. Okay, then it will become like this. That's the final product after you already perform the loft. Okay, next we are going to look into the creating the loft features. This time the setting will be normal to profile. So for this setup, I've already drawn two square in different plane. Okay, so this is how it look like. The first one is 50-50 box, okay, square, and bottom one is 100-100. Okay, so let's see how the setup will look like. So once you click on the lofted pause space, then you click on the part that you already draw, both side here. So the normal one will be like this one, so it is a straight one. Okay, now if you go to the start and constraint, you click on here. For the start, you put normal to profile. Let's say for this one is 3 degree, and then go to the normal to profile for end constraint also. Okay, it will look like this. If it is you don't want to apply any, so it will become like this. Okay, so don't worry, the line will disappear after you already end the product. Okay, so this one, let's say for 3 degree, you can also increase and you can also decrease. Okay, depend on the design of your product. So let's say we put both normal to the profile. So let's say this one maybe increase by how many? Be too much. Okay, just 1 degree. Okay, not so good. Okay, so I just put 0, so it will become more stable. Okay, so when it's done, it's just so this one will be the final product. It will look like this. Now for the direction vector, I've already drawn three different shape in 3 different plane, and then it is not aligned together. Okay, so this one, let's see how the loft direction vector will look like. So once you click on that one, click on the part that you want to create the loft, and then okay, so it become like that. So now click on direction vector. Okay, direction vector can be on which direction you want it to be. Okay, so let's see how it look like. Okay, in the end it will become like this. Okay, so this one, the shape is starting with the hexagon, then in the middle it become a circle, and in the end it become square. Okay, so the product will look like this. Okay, so that is for the direction vector. Now for the next one, let's say we have a 3 circle at different plane like this one. I've already draw this one. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can define the shape before you can perform the loft. Okay, so I'm going to show you if we just perform the loft using the circle like this one. Okay, you're going to get the shape depending on the automatic line performed by the SolidWorks. Okay, so what you can do is just move the circle according to this part. Okay, so you might don't get the one that you shape that you want. Okay, so now what we are going to look into is we want to undo the loft, and then I'm going to show you how we can draw. Okay, so as for this one, I'm going to, okay, so we already have the front plane here. So what I'm going to do is I want to sketch the on front plane. So let's say on one part I'm going to draw the line here that connect this part to this one and to this one. Okay, and another one over here I'm going to draw a spline. This one come like this. Okay, now this is just example, doesn't mean anything. It's just to show you how you can draw and create your own shape, not the automatic one. Okay, so once you already perform that line, so you can click on this one and the circle, click Control, and then you can pierce. Select the point, Control, and circle. Yes. Okay, so pierce meaning that we want to make sure that this circle is connected to the line here. This one also. Yes. Okay, so once it's already done, we can exit the sketch. Now let us go to the loft boss. We're going to select the circle that you want to create the loft. Okay, so and then you want to select the guide curve one here. Okay, select, and another one, this one. Okay. Okay, so once we click the right here, so then you will get the part, the loft part. So I'm sorry, this one is mesh view, and just a view here. So once you see, this is the final product. This is the shape, the guided spline that you already draw, and then this is the line previously. So you will see that there is a different in shape here. Okay.